Okay. Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm hanging out with my friend Sam.
Hi guys.
Oh my gosh, he is so amazing and so talented. I love this man so much. I'm gonna be putting all of his links down below, so go check him out, show him some love. Sam, if someone had never been to your channel before and they were going there for the very first time, what kind of things would we find?
Well, welcome. It's music, covers, original stuff, music videos, collabs, all sorts of fun goodies.
So Sam, I invited you over today because Halloween is my favorite holiday ever.
Of course.
And you guys were requesting some yummy Halloween treats. So I've got you covered. I have so many recipes, especially for my new cookbook. So we're gonna pick one of these that we've never done before. And I thought, what's the cutest one?
Gotta be cute.
We have to do the cutest one.
The cutest one,
it's
absolutely.
It's the cutest one, it's this one. Okay, wait.
There's so
it's
many
coming,
cute
it's
things
coming.
in here.
Are you ready?
I love these.
They're bat truffles. And they look like little bats, and they have little fangs like a little vampire, and they're so cute.
Ears. Oh, I'm so excited.
And I really like these because they're bite-sized, so if we're having like a Halloween party or get-together, or you're going to a party, you can bring little bite-sized treats for everybody.
If you show up to a Halloween party with these, you are definitely the coolest person at that party.
They're gonna be like, whoa, who made these? And we're like, we did.
Yeah.
Do you like caramel?
Yes, I love
Do you
caramel.
like chocolate?
Of course I love chocolate.
Do you like peanut butter?
I love peanut butter.
Okay, because that's his recipe. Caramel, chocolate, peanut butter, truffles. Boom! We're gonna be making some bat truffles. Happy Halloween, everybody.
Halloween.
Let's get started. Oh, were you scared?
I was scared. I was like, you couldn't see it in my face. But
Will this scare you?
That actually did.
So to make these homemade truffles, we will be using the stove, and I'm gonna be putting all of the ingredients and their measurements for the recipe down below in the description. So if you wanna make these at home, check it out in the description. All right, so we've got a medium saucepan, we've got a thermometer, and then we've got some sugar, brown sugar, corn syrup, and water. And we're just gonna add all of these into the pot before we head over there. Sweet and spooky.
Sweet and spooky.
Perfect. So now we got all the ingredients in here. We're gonna take it over to the stove. Sam, will you do my voiceover?
Oh, yeah,
When
I got you, girl.
Like,
yes.
Hey, my dad or my boyfriend or my friend does my voiceover.
Yes.
Will you do my stove voiceover?
I've totally got you. Yeah, I got you covered.
Okay. Cool.
Turn the heat to medium-high and stirring constantly bring to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Add the heavy cream and stir until smooth and well combined. Remove the saucepan from the heat and mix in the salt, almond extract, and vanilla. Keep mixing until it cools to 150 degrees Fahrenheit, then mix in the chopped chocolate until smooth. Mix in the peanut butter. Pour the mixture into a clean bowl and refrigerate until firm, about 1 hour. All right, so we just took this out of the fridge. We let it cool for an hour, and now it is solid and beautiful looking and smooth.
Worth the wait. I'm just like, okay, and just dig in.
We better just roll these into balls quick, because otherwise I'm
all right,
truly
so
gonna
I've got
eat
these little, they're 1 tablespoon scoops, little measuring scoops, and you're just gonna, oh my gosh, it's as hard as ice cream.
Okay.
It's just like really frozen ice cream.
We got it.
Oh my gosh, Sam.
Gotta use those muscles.
I forgot how like tough this is.
Yeah.
So then we're just gonna roll it using your hands, and the heat from your hands really helps the shaping. Roll it into a ball and place it on top of a piece of parchment paper. They kind of vary in size, and don't worry if they aren't all the same exact size, because bats are different shapes and sizes.
That's true. They're individuals. Yeah. My guy's a little bigger than your first one.
Yeah, and you might want smaller truffles, and some people might want larger truffles. Whatever you'd like. I'm gonna taste just a little. I'm gonna cheat. I'm gonna cheat right here.
Am I allowed to?
Yeah,
too?
we're just gonna have to do a little cheat.
A little bit.
Oh my gosh.
That is so good.
Now, if you just want to stay home for Halloween and you don't want to take these 2 friends out.
Yeah, make them, put on your costume and sit on your couch and pop these.
Oh, you just scoop it and just
put on a good spooky movie and just like.
What? Do you watch a certain movie every year for Halloween? Because I watch Hocus Pocus.
Hocus Pocus, of course,
every
is a
year.
classic.
Sometimes multiple times in the same month of.
That's okay. Oh, Hocus Pocus is so good.
I watch it like last year I watched Hocus Pocus 5 times in the month of October.
Which witch is your favorite witch of the 3? Who do you most identify with?
Oh, that's so hard.
I know, they're all good.
Probably Winifred.
Yeah,
You know?
Bette Midler, yeah.
I feel like she's a baddie and she's the brains of the situation, so I was like, you get it, girl.
Yeah, just pop in some of those little prosthetic teeth and
I'm like, you're a bad witch and we all love you for it. Oh my gosh, Sam, you're going so fast. I'm sitting here talking and you're going twice as fast as me.
I'm in focus mode.
I know, I'm like, I can't talk to you anymore. I gotta make some truffles.
Yeah.
Gotcha! Yes!
How long are you planning that?
I wasn't. I was just trying to slow you down now. So I can catch up.
Okay, so we finished rolling our little truffle balls and we're gonna pop these into the fridge for about 15 minutes.
And this recipe makes about 2 dozen of these. Now, it will vary if you make them a little larger or a little smaller.
And how much you ate while you were rolling them too.
So maybe this one will make 1 dozen.
Yeah.
Chill 'em. And I'll get the chocolate ready. Woo! Did we get you?
I think we got them.
Okay, that was pretty good.
Yeah.
All right, we are back. Boom! This is the really fun part. We're gonna dip these truffles in chocolate, and we're gonna be using the Nerdy Nummies melting pot. This is my favorite melting pot. I use it all the time when I'm dipping like cake balls or truffles. It just makes it easier. I used to heat it up in the microwave and I'd have to reheat it all the time. That does work, but this just keeps it warm and all the same temperature and so much easier. So if you were interested in one of these, I'll put a link down below to where you can find one. All right, let's dip.
Let's dip.
Yes.
Okay, is there like a trick to how to best dip these?
Well, I throw them in there and then I take them out with a fork.
Nice.
But also a fun technique is you could take a little toothpick, boop, and while they're still cold, you know, spin it around and pull off. But we're just gonna do this.
Fork technique, I like it.
Yeah, because they don't need to be pretty on the bottom because they're gonna just kind of sit upright.
Yeah, they want a little base. Yeah.
All right, so do you want to try it?
I just pick it up.
Yeah.
Drop it in and then fish it out.
Drop it in there and then fish it out. Yeah.
This is so fun. Ooh. Okay, make sure it gets
covered.
nice and coated. Ooh, it looks so good.
I'm gonna be honest, it can be a little tricky to get these out of here because it depends. You just want the perfect, like jiggle it,
just like jiggle it to get the excess off.
What? Baking Pro over here? Gold star for Sam!
Thank you,
Yes.
I'll take it.
I'm so proud of you.
Is this good?
Yeah.
And then I just plop it?
Yeah,
plop
just
it down?
plop it right here on a little piece of parchment paper. And while it's still wet, we're gonna attach the little ears.
Ooh.
For ears, I found candy-coated sunflower seeds.
How precious.
Don't these look like
those.
ears? Here, give it a go. I'll put on one and you can put on one. Just stick them right on the top. There you go.
I love it. Oh, little ears.
Boom! Then you're gonna do this to the rest of your truffles and we're gonna set them off to the side to chill. They kind of set. It doesn't take very long.
Nice.
Maybe 10 minutes. And while they're setting, we can make the wings. Batwings.
Batwings.
To make the wings, we're gonna be using this template. So the template's on this piece, and then you put a piece of parchment on top, like so.
Very clever.
Sam, have you ever traced something with food?
I don't think with food, no.
So we've got little piping bags with warm chocolate.
Ooh, yeah.
We've got a small little hole right at there, and then we're just gonna trace them.
Okay.
Now they don't need to be perfect because again, wings can look different and we're just gonna put gentle pressure and you can outline first and fill in or however you wanna do this.
Oh, yours looks so good.
I can't even see yours yet because I'm like so focused on this chocolate right now.
This is really like
zone.
calming.
Sometimes I'll just do, oh shoot,
mine's a little
I messed
thick,
up
maybe.
here. I messed up the trace. I won't touch it.
Oh, that's good,
let's
that's perfect.
see. Beautiful,
Oop,
love it.
dripping.
Then you're gonna do this to the rest of the wings.
Boo!
Ah! Oh my gosh!
Oh my gosh!
Did I get you?
You guys are so messed
Did I ruin your,
Oh my gosh!
Did I ruin your Batwing? Leave it to me.
This Batwing is gonna be a little
to
cool.
choose the moment when
my-
you're doing the most intricate, delicate work. Okay, we've got our truffles, we've got our wings.
Yes.
I feel like we're getting close. What's next?
All right, so it's just some final decorations. We're putting things together. We're gonna attach the wings. We're gonna attach some cute little candy eyeballs.
Adorable.
These are optional. If you don't have these, you can just put a little bit of, icing.
Yeah.
Yep, and then the little piping bag, we have a little bit of icing with a number 1 tip at the end. That's the smallest tip, so we have the most control.
Okay.
We are going to attempt to pipe like a little smile with 2 fangs.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that seems doable.
Yeah, because they're little bats. They need little fangs.
You need the fangs.
And bats, I love them. They are so cute, and I feel like they are misunderstood. And even in my book, I wrote a little blurb about how they're lovely. They're lovely little animals, and if any of you are afraid of bats, you shouldn't be. They're wonderful. They eat mosquitoes. You don't want mosquitoes.
Yeah.
So it's hashtag save the bats. Hashtag be nice to them.
Be nice to bats.
When I first saw bats in Halloween vampire movies, I thought they were very scary looking. It wasn't until later that my parents took my sister and I to the Carlsbad Bat Caverns in New Mexico, and I learned more about these amazing animals. So I created this recipe, oh my gosh, to pay homage to our misunderstood winged friends, because they're actually very cute, and they eat mosquitoes, and a lot of them eat fruit.
Yeah.
Some of them do eat blood.
Okay. Well, but you know.
But that's a percentage.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
You know. And who cares?
Sometimes you get a little hankering.
You know, who doesn't? Okay, now next up. This is just my preference, but you can put them together however you'd like, but we're gonna start with the eyes, then the mouth, and then the wings.
Eyes, mouth, wings.
I love the wings because they when they're sleeping, they wrap up like this.
Like a nice comfy blanket, yeah.
You know, it's like me on a Saturday. I would just love it. I would just hug myself in a little warm blanket, and I'm like, Just use a little bit of icing, put it on the back of your candy eye, and stick it right onto a little truffle. You can put them anywhere. I put them near the top. They look so cute, and I like my bats to look a little cute and derpy.
That's really cute, actually.
See, look at the doopy, I love him. And then I'm gonna pipe a little smiley face with fangs.
Oh, yours is so good.
Look at that. That is a big old smile. It's my little derpy guy. Oh.
These are
Look
good.
how cute this one is. Probably the best one I've ever done.
Let me see it.
Look at him.
I like how close together the little fangs are on that one. He's
I'm
like a
really
little.
into this one.
Well,
I think it's my favorite.
that one's cute. That one's really, really cute.
Okay, he's the winner, chicken dinner.
So we use the chocolate to affix the wings.
And we're supposed to be a little gentle with these. They're thin, they're a little bit delicate. Put a little bit of chocolate right in the middle. It's coming out the other end. That's right, that's the right word, a dollop.
A dollop.
Right there.
Okay,
and we'll just be gentle and
Very
stick it on
delicate.
the back and apply some pressure.
Okay. Ooh, okay,
And I'm just gonna hold it there. I'm gonna press in his little eyeballs and hold. A 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4.
These are so cute. Oh my gosh, when they come together.
Boom! There you go, we got a cute little bat.
That one looks amazing.
All right, then we're just gonna do this to the rest of our truffles.
Ta-da!
Here are the bat truffles that we made today. A big thank you to you guys for suggesting a Halloween treat. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. It is a caramel, peanut butter, chocolate, truffle that looks like an adorable little bat, and I really like this recipe if you're going to a Halloween party or you're hosting one, because these are bite-sized. You can just pick them up. They look so cute. They're very Instagrammable, and you can just bloop, 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 yum, 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 bite, 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 and they're so delicious. I'll be posting the recipe and a bunch of pictures on all of the social media, and if you guys make these, please take a picture and send it to me. I love seeing your baking creations. It makes my day. And also, if you take a picture of these, tag us.
Yeah, I want to see.
We want to see those creations.
Yeah.
Sam is the best. He's amazing, and he's super talented and one of the best people in the world. So I'm putting his links down below. Please go check him out, subscribe, show him all of the love. Also, if you guys like this recipe, you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, click subscribe, ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video, and let me know which video you would like to see next. I'm gonna be making a ton of Halloween videos this month.
Love it.
All Halloween themed, the whole month of October. So please let me know what other Halloween themed type videos you'd like to see, because I want to make all of them. I feel like October is not long enough.
Not long enough.
I'm
no.
like, can we have 2 months of October? What's the month before this? September?
Yeah.
Why do we
Let's
even
make that
need
spooky.
it? Why do we even need it? Just make it October 1, October 2, and then November.
Yeah, the
this
whole time.
This would be the row calendar. We just get rid of September.
Yeah,
we don't
who needs
need
it?
That's October 1.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I'm so excited. Do you do wing, do you do wing first?
I just ate the whole wing. This poor bat. He only has one wing now.
No, all in one bite.
Oh my gosh, how'd you do that?
That is so good.
It's so rich.
The texture of the inside, it's like the crunch of the chocolate shell on the outside, but then inside it's like
Yum.
so smooth.
Yum.
the peanut butter, the caramel.
All right, thanks again, you guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Whoa. Oh my gosh!
That was good. That was unplanned.
Oh my gosh. What am I thinking right now?
That we're gonna go and eat all the rest of these little bats together
Yeah,
off in
it's
the corner
pretty-
over there. Is
I
that
was
what
just
you're
like, maybe
thinking
we
of?
can eat some more.
Yeah.